not spawning no more.
Why? Get faster. Okay, it's going 18 miles per hour.
Bro.
I couldn't make it faster, otherwise.
What the fuck happened? What'd you do? How fast did you make it?
200. Oh no, our table. Noise. Oh no, our table.
Wait, I have an idea. I
Noise.
have an idea. What if you put it inside the garbage can?
Oh my
The
god.
noise it made.
Wait. Send it. Oh shit. No.
I wish I could see what was going on.
Max, is that you?
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
Hope I don't slip.
3, 2, 1, lift off.
The cutoff.
The cutaway. Here, wait. I have an idea. What if I place it against the wall?
It's gonna blow up.
Like, I'm
What
gonna
if you place it downwards?
That's a horrible idea.
I like it though.
Here, wait. I'm gonna put it. I don't know if it's gonna go backwards or forwards, so I'm gonna put it like right here.
Alright, I told them that I removed essential and the game works perfectly. Or normally.
You tried single player with essential.
Alright, Bogdan, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am.
Wait. Let me rotate it a little bit. Alright, there you go.
It's
scared.
gonna be terrible.
Oh! No! No! Max up! I have a clip to show you. Alright.
Why is there so
Alright,
many
let me count down.
Alright, 3,
Change
2,
the world.
1.
My final message. Goodbye.